Hey everyone, if Bolt AI is loading slowly, taking too long to open projects, generating responses very slowly, or the workspace feels unresponsive, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bolt AI's slow loading problems in 2026. First, check your internet connection. Since Bolt AI relies heavily on cloud-based processing, a slow or unstable connection can significantly affect loading times, AI responses, and project performance. Next, refresh the page and reopen your project. Temporary platform glitches can sometimes cause delays that disappear after a simple reload. Another common fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted or outdated browser data can interfere with web applications and slow down performance. You should also make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Updated browsers often include performance improvements and compatibility fixes that help modern AI tools run more efficiently. If you have multiple browser tabs open, close the ones you don't need. Too many active tabs can consume memory and reduce the performance of Bolt AI. Another helpful step is disabling ad blockers, VPNs, and privacy extensions temporarily. Some browser extensions can interfere with cloud-based services and increase loading times. And that's how to fix Bolt AI's slow loading problems in 2026. In most cases, improving your connection, updating your browser, clearing cache, and reducing project complexity will improve performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.